If you're finding that you are not loving some of these specific subjects of curriculum companies out there, like it's not working, you can't seem to make it your own without feeling like you're omitting so much from the curriculum, then this video is for you. Keep watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm Nikki. I'm a homeschool mom to an only child. We decided this year that I was using a curriculum before for our reading, and I have fully decided to sway from that curriculum as my daughter was just not overly excited for doing it anymore. And so we took a different approach, and I want to share what we did because maybe it'll work for you too. So I picked out a bunch of different read aloud books this year. This is My Side of the Mountain, but we have read, oh gosh, I don't even remember. What did we do? Sarah Plain and Tall. We've done a few and now I'm drawing a blank, but anyways, you could pick whatever book you want. It could be any genre, anything like that. And then what you need to do is you need to go on Teachers Pay Teachers and you need to just search the book. Search unit study with the book title, search comprehension questions, search basically anything with the book title in it. You're going to find a ton of printouts. It could range from activities, it can range from comprehension stuff, it can range from like literally you name it. There's like something for every book out there. And I will say that if you are struggling with reading the books like just out loud like this, you could always find a audio book of it, or you can even go on YouTube and you could search the book title in there, and I guarantee there's someone reading it on YouTube for you that your child can read and follow along if they need to hear it out loud as they read. If you're trying to get like affordable and you don't want to go through the library or you don't want to go through Audible, there's always a way around it. The other thing that I would recommend is using AI to help you plan your unit studies. So ChatGPT is amazing. If you have not utilized this tool in your homeschool, you are for sure missing out. This has planned so much of my life and it has been a game changer when it comes to that. Take the title, tell it what you want in the chat, and it's going to formulate a plan for you, whether that be a schedule, whether that be activities to go with the book, whether that be comprehension questions to go with each chapter. It's going to have it all there and ready and easily done in seconds. And because it is free, I think up until you reach like a certain amount of attempts that you've done it, like it's been game changing in my homeschool. Because if I don't find something on Teachers Pay Teachers, then you betcha I am jumping on ChatGPT and trying to create one for myself. It will give you links, it will formulate a PDF, it will generate everything you could possibly imagine to give you what you're looking for. So if you are struggling, or even as a, someone who doesn't have a lot of money, who doesn't want to go and buy the $50 curriculum plus, you can easily create this for yourself. It is possible, and all you need is a library or a book on your bookshelf that maybe you haven't read yet, and you can easily take advantage and learn all the things. You can Google, what does my child need to learn for reading in grade whatever your child is in, and it will give you a step-by-step of everything that your child should read or should learn for that grade level. And then you can Google your flipping heart out, or go on ChatGPT. How does my child learn alliteration? Boom, they're gonna give you a ton of ways to teach it and to utilize that in your homeschool. I'm telling you, it is game changing, and you can easily do this without purchasing a curriculum if you are on a budget, or if you are struggling, or you just need a change. Be be okay with change and know that there are options out there, and that you're not just like married to a curriculum that you're not 100% happy with. We use a language arts curriculum right now through The Good and the Beautiful, and I just did a whole video on it, but like if you want to see that, I'll link it down below. But I don't need to go through every single lesson with her, because they have like readers through their program, but I don't feel like they're intertwined through the curriculum very well. So that's why, like, I want to read our own books. I want to read things that have been on our shelf. I want to read new enticing books. I want to read books that are out of her grade level, because she is such an advanced reader. I want to introduce different concepts that I feel like The Good and Beautiful doesn't do. So like, make your curriculum your own. You can always change things, anything, to make it how you need it to be for your homeschool. So don't be afraid to just jump in and make your school your own. You don't have to go by a rule book or a guideline just because the curriculum that you're using says that you have to do that. So that's just my PSA, my tips for making things your own, and utilizing every book you have on your bookshelf or your tools. It could create a schedule for you. It could literally break down when you're going to read it. You just have to feed it all the information. Anyways, if you like this video, leave me a like down below. If you're new, please subscribe and help my channel out. That would be great. And I will see you in my next one.